How to use Odoo as a free CRM. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Odoo CRM as a beginner. Odoo is a platform that you can get started on for completely free, and it offers a whole ecosystem of different softwares that you can use, whether you're a freelancer, an individual, or a business owner. To get started, you're going to go onto odoo.com. Then from there, you can scroll down and you're going to select CRM. After selecting CRM, you're going to tap on Start Now, it's free. After selecting Start Now, it's free, you can fill in some information right there about yourself, and you can fill in your business name. After you have added your business name, you can choose your company size, and you can choose your primary interest right here. Use it with my company. Then we'll tap on Start Now. After you have tapped on Start Now, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, what I want you to do next, you're just going to give it a few seconds. Then from there, you can tap on CRM. After you have tapped on CRM, I want you to go onto your email provider and you're going to tap on Activate Odoo, and that will remove the pending activation option. After you have activated it, you can see right here, it is up and running, and we can tap on Skip. Then from there, you'll tap on Go To. Once here, we are going to tap on CRM. After selecting CRM, you're going to tap on New in the top left-hand corner. Then from there, you could add in your first contact. I'm just going to be adding in my information. Then you can add in the expected revenue. So let's say $1,000, and we're going to tap on Add. After you have tapped on Add, you can see that we have added our contact right there. And then you can see the sales pipeline here. So this is a new contact. Then from there, you can move it to qualified. After you have moved it to qualified, you can move it to proposition. Then from there, you could move it to 1. So you can see it right there. So those are the different phases. Another thing that you can also do is you could tap right here on the plus, and then you can create qualified contacts. You can also create different propositions, as you can see right there, and opportunities. And you can also color code your contacts. And if we were to tap on sales, from there you can view the pipeline. You can also tap on my activities, and you will be able to generate leads. You could tap on generate leads right there, and you could input in the company information, or you can tap on new and you'll be able to add a new lead. As you can see right there, you'll be able to fill in the proposition. Another thing that you can also do is if you were to tap on sales, you could select customers and you will be able to view your customers. You can also tap on new again and you will be able to add in your customer information right here. And to view the reporting, you can select reporting. From there, you can either select forecast and you can see the forecast right there, or you could select pipeline and you could view your pipeline. You can also tap on leads and you'll be able to view your leads. You can also view your activities. And if we were to go over configuration, from here you will be able to edit the settings. You can also tap on sales teams. And from here you will be able to add members to your sales team by tapping on new. You'll be able to invite members. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to use Odoo CRM.